A brand new week is preparing to kick off right here at the New York Stock Exchange, and investors, they're hoping that last week's gains, the first week of the year 2023, will carry over. Yes, it's been a positive start to the year after the battle over future Fed rate hikes remained in focus. Strong payrolls reports clashed with weak manufacturing reads and kept investors on edge about what direction the markets will be moving in. But with Friday's gains, stocks set to tip into positive territory on the week. The Dow up 1.25% in the first week of the year. The S&P 500 1.08%. The Nasdaq 0.31% on the week, all heading into the close. But now we need to look ahead. Will the gains carry over, or will the bears make a return? Let's now take a look to see what will likely move the markets in the week ahead. We kick off the week in Europe a bit on the quiet side with EU unemployment for the month of November. Expectations call for an unchanged read of 6.5%. Moving on, Tuesday sees another quiet session, this time with the NFIB Business Optimism Index for the month of December out of the U.S., a rate that currently sits at 91.9. Wednesday sees action out of China with the Chinese December Consumer Price Index due out. That's a reading that currently sits at 1.6%. And keeping in line with consumer prices, the read is due out of the U.S. on Thursday, a read that currently sits at 0.1% month over month, 7.1% year over year, and that will be followed by both initial and continuing jobless claims. And then on Friday, the action picks up to close the week. We have industrial production due out, both out of the UK and the EU. UK industrial production scheduled at negative 0.1% month over month, EU industrial production negative 0.2%. Meanwhile, here in the United States, we have the release of the preliminary Michigan Consumer Sentiment Release. Expectations call for a read of 61.6. Also, keep an eye on geopolitics, as they have been moving the markets a lot as of late. And until next week, coming at you live from the New York Stock Exchange for the first time in 2023, I'm James Sweeney reporting for ICM.